Good evening. For our science activity today, we'll be using the classic board game Operation to test different materials and see if they are insulators or conductors of electricity. Psychologist Jean Piaget believed that students in their concrete operational stage of development could comprehend only one viewpoint. And this was evident in Jacob's interview, where he believed that electrical power cable was dangerous to touch. Through observations and warnings from people, Jacob derived that an electrical cable would cause death. Although a safe approach, there is much to learn here about insulators and conductors of electricity. Conductors, for example, allow electricity to flow through them freely, whereas insulators are materials which do not allow electricity to flow very well. Okay, so we all know how operations play. So what I'm going to do is take this cover off and show you what happens underneath. You can see a battery compartment. It's got two AA batteries, about 1.5 volts of power. It's not going to really do any damage to anybody. That's why it's safe to play this game. You've got this metal plate here also connected to the battery compartment, and these tweezers as well. Now when the tweezers touch the metal plate, the light lights up and you can hear a buzzing sound. This is a complete closed circuit. It's kind of like what you see when you turn a light switch on at home. That turns the light on, that turns the light off. Okay, so I've just done a tour of my home and found a few different materials. I'm going to place the material on top of the metal plate here and touch it with the tweezer. Now if the light lights up, we know that that item is a conductor. If it doesn't light up, then it's an insulator. So firstly here we have a Lego block. Touch it with the tweezers, nothing happened. That tells me that's an insulator. It's a 10-cent coin here. Touch it, lights up straight away. That's a conductor. The rubber ball, see nothing happens, insulator. This knife, again, touch it, it's a conductor. The wooden chopstick, touch it with the tweezer, nothing happens, insulator. And lastly I have this wire. Now the wire here, if I touch the end of it here and touch the other side of it, we'll see what happens. You can see that it lights up. There you go, telling me that this piece of wire is also a conductor. I hope you enjoyed the experiment. You can use anything at home and see how you go. Thank you and goodbye.